Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Sometimes.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright, y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Ally Grace. Shout out to you, Ally Grace, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. Okay, so the unit I am rocking is obviously a straight texture wig. They sent it to me in 20 inches, and it is 150% density. I am so glad that it says 150% density, because that is exactly what it gives. It has a very, very natural sort of density, and I was worried that they may say, you know, it was 180, and I always feel like that's deceptive. So I love an honest company, honey. Okay. I love an honest company. So now let me go. Okay, so I was gonna look it up and see, like, you know, more information, and y'all, they didn't send me a link, so definitely check down below in the description box for more information. I'm gonna go ahead and just basically guesstimate. I feel like this unit is a 13 by 4. And they do have on the site, I mean, like in the email that they sent me, that is a highlighted unit, and that is pretty much all the details and specs that I have. Now, I do want to go ahead and mention that, in my opinion, it did come, the hairline did come a little dense. I did tweeze it some. You guys know tweezing ain't your girl thing, okay? But I did tweeze it some, and I did bleach the knots. So I want to throw that out there as well. As far as shedding and tangling, honey, it's 150% density, 20-inch straight wig. I did not expect no tangles, and I didn't expect no shedding straight out of the packaging, despite it having blonde in it. I did not expect it, because usually with my straight units, I don't get any other things. Not straight out of the packaging. Not, like I said, at some point, old girl may do do all of the things, but straight out of the packaging, she did none of them, okay? As far as this unit being big head friendly, in my opinion, it is. I did have to adjust the straps, and I am an average cap size, so I only got the head that's on my shoulders though, girl, so do with that what you want to do with it, but in my opinion, this unit is big head friendly. Now, if you're interested in my pros and cons as well as the full 360, then please continue to watch. Okay, so we're gonna start with the cons because you guys know I like to end on a high note. My con with this unit is the fact that I had to tweeze it, because you know I don't like tweezing, and that I think it is a 13x4. Now, I could be wrong. Y'all let me know what y'all think, and obviously it should be down below in the description box at this point, but I feel like it is. I do feel like it goes back pretty far right here, but once you kind of get to the sides, you know, it does that 13x4 thing to me. So let me know down below what you guys think it is, but I personally, I'm gonna say 13x4. So those are my cons. Now my pros, honey. My pros with this unit is, first of all, I absolutely love the color. I think it is a really, really safe, highlighted, blended unit. Like, your roots are dark enough, and then you have the color, so it makes you feel like you're a little safe to wear a little blonde, you know what I'm saying? Because I know some people are just not into, just, you know, a little bit scared about wearing color. I have a cousin that is terrified of color, honey. You give her a little color, she thinks she's doing something. She is terrified of color. So units like this is like a safe alternative. So I love that. I also love the density of this unit because I feel like it looks super, super natural. So I love that as well, and those are my pros with this unit. Okay, so I personally would recommend this unit. I would recommend it just because, well, I don't know the price of it, but usually Ally Grace is pretty affordable. But it's also just like one of those great everyday sort of units to have, in my opinion. I feel like this color is really nice, and with it straight, I feel like it makes it everyday. And if you want a little boom, you just add some color to it. So I love that with this type of unit, and I love the length of it. So I personally would recommend this wig. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. Okay, y'all, so that's pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you are feeling this unit. Let me know if you're not. Comment down below. I am interested in your thoughts and opinions. Once again, shout out to you, Ally Grace, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions that you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. Ultimately on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Every styles and weekly. Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the wig for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. It's disastrous beauty. It's the wig for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Change up your